It's my first time in America, also my first time in Polaris Factory department, Wyoming, Minnesota. So we are really happy to start a great adventure. Polaris is one of the brands you know forever, yes, sure. Be part of this and meet all the people who design the car, build the car, here all the engineers. It's crazy.
Polaris has been racing Dakar like about 7 or 8 years with our satellite teams, and Extreme Plus has been a really good partner of us. We're adding a Sebastien Loeb racing. This is our first year with them racing our factory car.
What's exciting about today, I guess, is the fact that we get the opportunity to work with Sebastien Loeb's race team. So it's super stoked to get the feedback on the car and kind of understand where we're at now and where we need to be.
It was the first Dakar for the team. So last year we discovered the car the week before the race. Everything was new, so we learned a lot. We arrived sometime by night, under the rain, in the mud. This year the car seems to be very competitive. We can do something good.
Our car is designed and built completely in-house, using all of the lessons learned and a bunch of engineering and analysis to make it happen. We have longer travel suspension that's based off the Pro R, totally different cockpit layout, bigger fuel tank. The engine is the biggest difference probably. And our race car is the 2-liter 4-cylinder.
It's a dream to be part of the factory program. It's also not just a one-year shot, it's a multi-year program, so it's very exciting.
We want to win, we want to dominate, we want to be number one and be done in number one in dominating fashion. We don't want to just win the race, we want to win by an hour.
The most important is to participate. No, the most important is to try to win. And also I think Polaris think the same. If they build this car, it's to win and to beat the concurrents.